Now, it's never okay to copy someone's full keyword list and use that as your own, but you can certainly look at the competing websites to get an idea of what keywords they use and that they're trying to rank for. One way to do that is by doing a search for your keyword, and you can look at the competition. So here I want to find a local business, and I'm going to use the first one that pops up. Now this one pops up as Google Places, which is a little bit different than ranking on the first page, but I'm going to use this as an example. What I can do is right click and I can go to View Page Source. Now if you don't know anything about coding, don't get freaked out. I'm going to show you exactly what to look for. What we want to look for is the meta keyword tag. And the easiest way to do that is to do a search and find the word keywords. Now you'll see it has keywords. This is the meta keywords tag right here. This is what I'm looking for. It's usually right at the very top. And you'll see here in content it says J&M Landscaping, which is the name of the company. They have Northern Virginia, grass, mowing, edging, trimming. So there are some other keywords that I might be able to take. Now, this doesn't look like some keywords I necessarily would try to rank for, such as grass or mowing by themselves. However, that may give me some general ideas of other words that I can create long tail keywords out of. So I can add those to my keyword list, but I'm going to go back to Google and I'm going to look for who is ranking outside of these Google Places. So here we have Superior Landscaping, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to view page source. I am going to do a search for keywords and see if they have any. Nope, no keywords there. Let's look at Prosperity Lawn. Here they have some keywords right here. So they are trying to rank for Lawn Service Centerville, Virginia, Lawn Service Clifton, Virginia, Lawn Service South Riding, Virginia. So those are some, if we do not have them, we can use. And we can also go back to Google and we can just do this for the first handful of sites. These are service-related websites. So I want to go back to a specific company and we can do the same thing again. Now you notice some of these don't have keywords, so the competition might be low for this particular keyword, but the search volume also may be low, so that doesn't necessarily mean it's a good one to go with. We have to do our full keyword research to see. And here, this one has a lot more. Lawn mowing, tree trimming, backyard care, that's a new one. Snow plowing, sidewalk clearing, landscaper. So as you can see, there's some more keywords here that I was able to generate just by going through that first page of Google and going through some of the competing websites. You can also take some different keywords, put them into Google, see which competitors come up, and look at their keywords as well to help generate some additional ideas.